Hello everyone, welcome to the Lightning Brains channel. Today, we dive into the world of dashcams, indispensable guardians of our journeys on the road. Dashcams have become an essential accessory for modern drivers, offering a sense of security and peace of mind. In this video, we'll unveil the top 5 best dashcams of the year, meticulously curated based on online reviews, cutting-edge features, and affordability. Whether you're a daily commuter, road trip enthusiast, or just seeking that extra layer of protection, we've got you covered. Just like always, if you're eager to explore these cutting-edge dash cams further, you'll find convenient links in the description below. So let's get started. Number 5. Nexar Beam. The Nexar Beam GPS dash cam is a compact and discreet device designed to capture your journeys with clarity and precision. Recording in crisp 1080p Full HD video, this dash cam is easily concealed behind your rearview mirror, ensuring unobstructed views. Equipped with a suction cup mount and built-in GPS, the Nexar Beam provides peace of mind by automatically recording drives and backing up crucial moments to the Nexar cloud. Offering 24/7 protection for your vehicle, it activates upon impact, keeping a vigilant eye even when you're away. The dashcam also notifies you in real time about parking incidents and potential break-ins, enhancing overall security. With emergency alerts, it promptly notifies you of accidents, providing essential details for insurance claims. Additionally, Nexar simplifies parking retrieval with location tracking and navigation features. The Nexar Beam continuously evolves with over-the-air software updates, ensuring it stays at the forefront of dashcam technology. Compact, reliable, and user-friendly, the Nexar Beam GPS dashcam is your trusted companion on the road. Number 4. Red Tiger F7N. The Red Tiger F7N dashcam is a cutting-edge dual-channel recording solution tailored for drivers seeking high-tech features and reliable performance. With a front camera capturing in 4K resolution and a waterproof rear camera in 1080p, it ensures clear footage of the surroundings. Packed with advanced functionalities such as Wi-Fi and app control, GPS tracking, night vision, and a 170-degree wide-angle view, the F7N provides a comprehensive and connected driving experience. The built-in Wi-Fi facilitates easy smartphone connectivity, enabling video downloads and social media sharing through the dedicated Red Tiger Dashcam app. The inclusion of GPS records crucial driving data, serving as valuable evidence. Its superior night vision capability, thanks to a large aperture and professional imaging technologies, ensures clarity even in low-light conditions. The dashcam offers 24-hour parking monitoring, G-sensor-triggered event recording, and seamless loop recording. To maximize its capabilities, a dedicated hardware kit is available for parking monitoring. The Red Tiger F7N dashcam stands out as a reliable companion on the road, blending technological prowess with user-friendly features for enhanced safety and peace of mind. Number 3. Nexpace 622GW. The Nexpace 622GW dashcam is your ever-watchful companion on the road, providing unwavering safety and cutting-edge features. With an emphasis on protection, this dashcam ensures visibility on the grid, incorporating what 3 words precision location sharing to relay your exact location to emergency services, even in remote areas. Embedded technology guarantees your location is known within a 3-meter radius anywhere on Earth. In the unfortunate event of an accident, the crash detection feature automatically alerts emergency services if no movement is detected after impact, offering a crucial lifeline. The intelligent parking mode, equipped with a motion sensor, provides round-the-clock protection for your vehicle, even when you're away, never missing a moment. The 622GW captures the world in stunning 4K quality with advanced image stabilization, ensuring clarity and precision in every frame. The dashcam introduces seamless voice control with Alexa integration, allowing hands-free operation for navigation, music, calls, weather checks, and more, all while you focus on the road ahead. The Nexpace 622GW is a comprehensive solution for safety, convenience, and capturing life's journeys with unparalleled detail and reliability. Number 2. Vantru Nexus 4 Pro. The Vantru Nexus 4 Pro dashcam is a cutting-edge solution for comprehensive car surveillance and safety. Powered by Novatech's advanced chipset, this 3-channel 4K dashcam delivers unmatched image quality and super night vision, ensuring clarity and detail in all lighting conditions. With a 360-degree protection setup, including front, cabin, and rear cameras, the Nexus 4 Pro records in real 4K Super HD, capturing every detail on the road. The front camera boasts a Sony Starvis 2 IMX 678 sensor with HDR, while the cabin and rear camera cameras utilize infrared and HDR technology for optimal low-light performance. This Dashcam introduces innovative features like voice control, 5 GHz Wi-Fi for faster connectivity, and a brand new Vantrue app for seamless interaction. With a 24/7 parking guard, buffered motion detection, collision detection, and low-light night vision, the Nexus 4 Pro prioritizes your vehicle's safety, making it a reliable witness for accidents. The easy installation with a magnetic mount and universal ball joint design adds to its user-friendly features, ensuring flexibility and convenience. Equipped with GPS logging and a supercapacitor power system, the Vantrue Nexus 4 Pro Dashcam guarantees accurate tracking, durability in extreme conditions, and a longer lifespan, making it an indispensable companion for any journey on the road. Number 1. BlackVue DR970X. The BlackVue DR970X Dashcam sets a new standard with its 4K LTE cloud connectivity, delivering unparalleled video quality and reliable performance. Equipped with an 8-megapixel 4K UHD sensor for the front camera and a 2.1 megapixel Sony Starvis sensor for the rear, this Dashcam captures essential details with clarity. With native parking mode and compatibility with BlackVue parking mode kits and batteries, it ensures 24/7 protection for your vehicle. The built-in 4G LTE connectivity enhances cloud connectivity, enabling features like push notifications, remote live view, and live event upload. The mobile hotspot function turns your BlackVue into a Wi-Fi router, providing internet connectivity for up to 5 devices. The seamless pairing with the BlackVue app and intuitive controls makes setup effortless. The inclusion of GPS, Wi-Fi, and LTE connectivity offers comprehensive access to your Dashcam's features. With BlackVue Cloud, your Dashcam becomes a connected hub, allowing you to manage, view, and share videos from anywhere globally. The sleek design, tamper-proof case option, and intelligent parking mode monitoring contribute to making the BlackVue DR970X a top-tier choice for those seeking advanced Dashcam capabilities. So that's it for the best Dashcams of this year. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to receive notifications of our latest videos. Thanks for watching.